today we've called another weather impact day due to all of the wildfire smoke in the area. Now, this is going to be due to both wildfire smoke from fires here locally that we've been reporting on, but we're also getting smoke from wildfires in neighboring states. So we're going to continue to monitor all of this as we make our way through the next few days. Now, to the south, we do have some scattered showers and storms. A severe thunderstorm warning has just popped up just south of Colorado City. These areas seeing storms to the south, we're looking for the possibility for some heavy downpours. We're also looking for maybe some small to moderate sized hail, gusting winds, lightning and thunder. Now, none of that rain is falling where we need it along this line of wildfires along the Front Range this afternoon, but we're going to continue to monitor that. Again, what that is really causing is going to be, of course, anyone impacted that lives near these areas that have been evacuated. But we do have secondary impacts all across the Front Range and Eastern Plains, and most of that is due to the wildfire smoke out there. You can see from my smoke forecast here, of course, we're going to see the most smoke where we have the local fires, but other areas across the Front Range and Eastern Plains still monitoring more wildfire smoke from neighboring states. Now, a little bit of good news is overnight tonight and into early tomorrow, we get a lift in some of this wildfire smoke. Only far northern counties will be seeing it before it starts to drop its way southward again across central portions of the Eastern Plains. So we get a little bit of clearing early tomorrow, but as we go into our Friday, we're going to continue to monitor our poor air quality. So because of this, we do still have air quality alerts in effect across the urban corridor for a mix of high levels of ozone and wildfire smoke. So as we've been saying all week, if you're someone with asthma or any other respiratory sensitivities, you might need to limit your time outdoors. Right now, we have a live look over downtown Denver behind this graphic, and you can just see all of that haze lingering around. Still pretty hot, 98 degrees right now at DIA, with winds coming in from the east-southeast at around 10 miles per hour. Now, as we monitor our future cast, outside of those fires, we are still looking for some showers and storms later this afternoon into this evening. Now, the not so good news is it's not likely to fall where we're seeing the fires. We're expecting most of these storms across southern and southeastern corners of the state, barely brushing into the southeastern corner of the Denver metro area before falling back out late tonight. Tomorrow morning, we wake up to more sunshine. This is where we could maybe see an isolated shower or storm above some of these fire areas, but right now it's looking like most of these storms are going to fall east of I-25 corridor, and they're really going to expand as they make their way across the plains and move their way out late Saturday night. So as we take a zoomed in look here through our future cast across the Front Range, later this evening we're looking for some storms to start to pop up across southeastern portions of the Denver metro area. Those quickly move out by late tonight. Tomorrow we start the day with quite a bit of sunshine, and we are looking for some of these storms to pass through southern portions of the Denver metro area and then again northern portions before moving their way eastward. And a lot of the fire areas are looking to stay dry over the next few days, unfortunately. As far as severe weather is concerned, today the southeastern corner of the state where we're expecting the strongest storms, we have a marginal risk for severe weather here, and then tomorrow that marginal risk moves its way across the Eastern Plains. Both days our biggest impacts are going to be locally heavy downpours. We're looking for some gusting winds, maybe some small to moderate sized hail, lots of lightning and thunder. Overnight tonight, temperatures stay pretty mild, 60s for most of us across the Front Range and Eastern Plains, 40s and 50s in the high country, low 70s out west. Tomorrow, temperatures drop just a tad in some areas. I think Denver drops into the middle 90s as opposed to the upper 90s that we're seeing today. So we're still going to be pretty hot out there, even the high country in the 80s. We zoom into our Front Range forecast highs for tomorrow, middle to upper 90s across the northern portions of the Front Range and Eastern Plains, 70s and 80s up in the high country. The next few days, we're going to continue to see this warm weather stick around before more storm and shower chances move in and those temperatures slowly start to drop. So we're in the middle 90s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're going to be pretty dry with some isolated storm chances here and there through the weekend. But the good news is as we start next week, we're going to see more widespread showers and storms, temperatures slowly dropping each day.